Imagine looking up at the night sky, and suddenly the moon is gone. No glow, no tides, no lunar eclipses, just empty darkness. But what if the moon didn't just disappear from the sky? What if it vanished completely? Would Earth survive? Would oceans behave normally? Would life on Earth change forever? Today we are going to explore one terrifying question. What would happen if the moon suddenly disappeared? Before we imagine the moon disappearing, we first need to understand why it is so important. The moon is Earth's only natural satellite. It formed about 4.5 billion years ago, likely after a massive collision between early Earth and a Mars-sized object. This event is known as Giant Impact Hypothesis. Since then, the moon has been orbiting Earth at an average distance of 384,400 kilometers. Even though it looks small in the sky, its effects on Earth are enormous. The moon controls ocean tides, stabilizes Earth's rotation, and even affects life cycles of many species. Without the moon, Earth would be a very different planet. One of the moon's biggest roles is controlling ocean tides. Tides are caused by a force called gravitational force. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating high and low tides. If the moon suddenly disappeared, ocean tides would not stop completely, but they would become much weaker. Why? Because the sun also creates tides. However, solar tides are only about 1/3 as strong as lunar tides. One of the moon's most important jobs is stabilizing Earth's tilt. Earth is tilted about 23.5 degrees, and this tilt gives us seasons. But the moon helps keep this tilt stable. Without the moon, Earth's tilt could start changing randomly. This tilt is called axial tilt without lunar stabilization. Earth's tilt could shift dramatically over thousands of years. It might change from 23 degrees to 40 degrees, to even 60 degrees to 40 degrees to even 60 degrees. That would cause extreme summers, extremely cold winters, unpredictable climate changes. Some regions could become unlivable. Others could freeze completely. Ocean tides don't just move water. They also help control ocean circulation. Without strong tides, ocean currents would slow down. These currents help distribute heat across the planet. Without them, some regions would overheat. Others would freeze. Weather patterns would change. Storm patterns could become unpredictable. This would affect agriculture, fishing, and global climate systems. Without the moon, night skies would become much darker. The moon reflects sunlight, making nights brighter. Without it, nights would be much darker. Some animals would struggle. Navigation for wildlife would change. Many species depend on moonlight to hunt or migrate. The moon also affects Earth's rotation speed. Right now, the moon is slowly slowing Earth's rotation. Without the moon, Earth would spin slightly faster over millions of years. This means days would become shorter, nights would become shorter. Timekeeping would eventually change. Would life on Earth disappear if the moon vanished? Not immediately, but life would change dramatically. Some ecosystems would collapse. Climate instability would make survival harder. Over thousands of years, some species would go extinct, others would adapt. Humans might struggle with unpredictable seasons. Earth would still exist, but life would become far less stable. The moon may look small in our night sky, but its influence on Earth is enormous. It controls tides, stabilizes our climate, and protects our planet. Without the moon, Earth would slowly become a more dangerous place to live. So the next time you look up at the glowing moon, remember, it might be the reason life on Earth remains possible.